Okay, everyone, please pay attention to the reading. So I will read it and you can follow me. Chapter 3, Part 2. So in order to make you see it clearly, I would like to move to this. Okay. There are two kinds of whales. One kind has a big mouth with teeth. Its mouth measures 4 meters in depth. It can eat other large animals of the sea. This kind is called a killer whale. The other kind of whale is much larger than the killer whale. It has no teeth. Instead, it has a row of bone in its mouth. Small sea life is caught in these bones. These whales also have a very small throat. They cannot swallow anything larger than an apple. So now I will read it again, but it a little bit faster. Okay. There are two kinds of whale. One kind has a big mouth with teeth. Its mouth measures 4 meters in depth. It can eat other large animals of the sea. This kind is called a killer whale. The other kind of whale is much larger than the killer whale. It has no teeth. Instead, it has a row of bone in its mouth. Small sea life is caught in these bones. These whales also have a very small throat. They cannot swallow anything larger than an apple. All right, so I have already read the passage. Now I want to hear from Panyaset. So Panyaset, let's try to read.
Yes, teacher. There are two kinds of whale. One kind has a big mouth with teeth. Its mouth measures 4 meters in depth. It can eat other large animals of the sea. This kind is called a killer whale. The other kind of whale is much larger than the killer whale. It has no teeth. Instead, it has rows of bone in its mouth. Small sea life is caught in this bone. These whales also have a very small throat. They cannot swallow anything larger than an apple.
Yes, good job, Panyaset. Thank you for your reading.